It's a bow-shaped hairband, but we use two different patterns. Hey everyone, hey crafters, welcome to Anju Risa's crafting room. My name is Risa. If you have any questions or suggestions, or you just want to say hi, feel free to call me Risa. And today in this video, I will show you how to make this bow-shaped hairband. Tidy and neat, simple and clean. Let's get started. Let us prepare the material. I am using this hairband. It's toothless because I want to make it fully covered with fabric. The width is about 1 centimeter or no more than half an inch. And the length, it's the most important to measure the length because we will adjust it on our fabric for later. So my headband length is about 38 centimeters or it's about 15 inches. And then let us prepare the fabric. There are two pieces of fabric that we have here. The length should be the exact same size as our hairband. Mine is about 15 inches and the width there are two. This one is about 3.5 inch and the other one is about 4.75 inch. Whatever size you use, you can modify this fabric size. And with this fabric size, the final result is about 3 inch wide. So you can make it wider, you can make it smaller, you can adjust it on this fabric. But whatever size of the fabric you use, the gap here, the difference here should be at least twice the size of our hairband. As you can see, this is twice the size of our hairband because I want to insert this hairband inside the fabric for later because we want to make it fully covered by fabric. Now with the right sides together, put the fabric together and sew this part. After we sew the fabric, let me tell you a secret. I'm a neat freak. I love everything tidy and neat. So now I'm going to press the seam open here just to have a nice finish. It's such a relief to see everything neat and tidy. After we press the seam open, now we are going to join the other ends here. And we are going to sew this part. Sew a straight line. I have sewed the other ends and you can see this is the part that we press the seam open. So we are going to lay the fabric flat down right here. And you can just swipe this off. And we are going to sew this part once again. To make it easy, you can sew it right on the previous thread. And the reason that I told you to have the fabric's different size is at least twice the size of our hairband is so that the hairband will fit smoothly inside. And at this point, you have to make sure, you have to confirm that the hairband will fit smoothly inside. Now I want to press this part here. Just press this flat down. Now after we press the center part here, I want to mark about 2.5 inch. 2.5. Now we want to make this smaller so that the hairband will slowly going smaller. If you have a loop turner, you can make this part as small as you can, as small as you want. But if you don't have a loop turner, I will suggest you to use the thumb as the guide. So we will turn the fabric right side out with our thumb. Just place the thumb right here and we are going to make it slightly wider than our thumb. Just place it here and here. and we are going to do this once again. Just place the thumb right here, and we are going to mark it wider than our thumb so that we can turn the fabric right side out easier. Now we can just connect the dots. Now I'm going to sew this part. After we sew this part, I am going to cut the edge here. Now, if you are using your thumb, you can easily insert your thumb and flip the fabric inside out. Or if you have a loop turner, it will be much easier. After we flip the fabric, I am going to press the fabric for the last time. I promise this is the last press. After we press the fabric, I want to insert a stiff fabric inside. You can use felt fabric, you can use sponge fabric, so that the headband shape will have a nice and sturdy like this. So I want to insert it a little smaller than the fabric. It's about here. Now we can insert the sponge inside. I'm still using my thumb. With the thumb here, just push the sponge fabric using index finger or middle finger. It's easier. Place it right here and simply flip or insert the sponge fabric inside. After we put it inside, now we can just roll the fabric so that it's nice and flat. So it's nice and flat. Now I'm going to mark the center of the fabric. This is important so that our bow shape, will be the exact center. Just place it here and we are going to mark it. Because the fabric is quite dark color, I am using white marker. You can check out this marker in the description below. All of the materials that I use, I put it in the description. You can see it right here. Now we are going to insert the hairband inside. Make sure that you insert the hairband right on the small gap that we made, so that the hairband will stays in the middle once we insert it into this fabric. If the fabric is quite long, you can trim it a little. Let me trim this a little. Now we are going to finish the two ends here, but I will only show you once. Let us prepare the hot glue gun. Add a little glue right here so that the fabric will stay in place. And then we are going to prepare a needle and thread. Wrap around the hairband. Use your needle and thread to wrap around the hairband. Prepare a grosgrain ribbon. I am going to knit about 3 inches for 2 pieces. Cut it and seal it. Attach some glue, attach it to the hairband, attach some glue on the right side wrap it, add some glue, and wrap it. Now we are going to repeat this on the other ends. After we finish both ends, I want to shape the bow. This is the line that we mark right in the center. As you can see the white marker. Now I'm going to gather the fabric right in the center. Prepare a small piece of fabric. The size is about 5 by 3 inch. Fold it in half and sew this part. Turn the fabric right side out. And you can simply fold the fabric down and up, and do the same thing, fold it down and up, and we are going to attach this right in the center. Sew this part for the last time. After this, we simply cut the excess fabric and flip it over. I really like the centerpiece to be like this. It's just a messy, but it's pretty messy. And that's it. Our beautiful bow hairband is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a like and share this video. If you don't, it's not a problem. Just hit the dislike button and tell me below about what you don't like. Or if you have any questions or suggestions, you can also write in the comment below. See you in my next video. Bye bye!